Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 22 divide 11, now 2. Now 11 times 2 is equal to 22. So 22 divide by 22. 22 divide 22 is equal to 1. But this answer is completely wrong. This answer is not correct. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay? PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, P means parenthesis, E means exponents, multiplication, D means division, addition, and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, then exponents, then multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then addition and subtraction also we have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Now in this question, first priority is this parenthesis. So 22 divide 11. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now here is multiplication and here is division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, then we have to solve this multiplication. So 22 divide 11 is equal to 2. Multiply 2. Now 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. So the correct answer is 4. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.